Good morning. I am in the car. It's early. It's 7 o'clock. That's early for me. Got the stress coming on, but I am meeting the flooring company at the house. I'm going to see if they can measure for labor. So we are getting some of the flooring ourselves. But I'm also going to go by his showroom and see what he has for some areas of the house. But I figured I would take you along with me to see what that process looks like and show you kind of some of the updates that we've made to the house so far. And in true Disney mom fashion, I have my coffee in my resort mug. We've got all this down here. Let's get some lights on. So this is a family room. She is in a messy shape. That is that built-in from over there. So yeah, we have to measure in here. They ended up stubbing it for can lights yesterday. But this is what I'm curious about. Let me get the lights on in here. Let's see. I don't know if that light helped, but this is the floor that we would like to refinish, but it's not looking super great. So that's what we're gonna have to figure out. What else was done? Lights in here too were done. So we'll have can lights and then like a whatever simple fixture in the middle. It's very dark in here because they have taken all the lights down to be able to get ready for paint and mud. Oh, I meant to tell him to do a couple can lights in here too. I need to tell him about that. But yeah, all the lights are gone. All of our little gaudy light fixtures are all down. It looks crazy in here. This is an actual mess in here. This is like the only place that we have right now where we've been like trying to keep stuff for the toys. Like I have this like Love Every reading kit out here to like give them stuff to play with and do while we're trying to get some stuff done. So yeah. I also, on my task list, so we're not doing any of this area. We're keeping the floor in here for right now. Not long term, but it doesn't make sense to do anything in here until we do the full kitchen remodel. So we're just gonna leave it. But these windows, like this comes off and I really wanna pop these panes out. And I've gotta figure out how I can do that because I know it can be done because I can see the joint. But yeah, I gotta play around with these. Let's see what it looks like out here on the lake this morning. It's a pretty fall morning. It's a little chilly this morning, but we're gonna have to get a lot of these trees out. Like I think we'll take a lot of these out and then like this and probably even this. I don't want to take too many out because I like the trees, but like all of these little things just so we can really have a good view. And then everything down here, like all of these rose bushes and stuff, we're gonna have to get all of those out. Maybe even this guy, but we'll see. I'm gonna work on getting the flooring up in here. This is the sunroom off of my daughter's bedroom. So this actually was the original primary bedroom in the house, which is why it's really big and has this beautiful sunroom. So I'm so excited to transform this space for her. You might be thinking your son's really gonna miss out. Well, honestly, not really. He'd rather be outside, and it's really perfect for her. Honestly, this probably doesn't look as bad as it was, but it was glued to the bottom, and so it just took a lot more effort than I thought it was going to. I honestly would have preferred it just been like stapled or something because the glue was very hard to get up. We are going to be putting new stairs here, and it's just like 2 little stairs down. And then it's going to be the same LVP flooring that we're putting in her bedroom, and then the hallway, my son's room, and my office all upstairs. So it's going to look really nice. I also will be painting the paneling and the wood trim in here. I don't know about the brick yet. I might keep it, but we'll see. Now I'm moving on to getting the carpet out of her room. I had already gotten it out of my son's room at this point, and this carpet is extremely high pile. So it was very hard to get up. It was incredibly thick, incredibly high quality, but I really just am not a fan of the green, and I knew that it wouldn't work for her long term. So we went ahead and got it up. And then also having 2 kids and a dog, carpet just is not great for us and our family. It's hard to keep clean. It's hard to keep dust out of. We all have allergies as well. I definitely should have been wearing a mask during this. I didn't realize how dusty and bad it was. So from here on out, you will definitely see me wearing a mask because I learned my lesson here. I tried to keep the strips that I was cutting narrow enough just because it was so thick and heavy, but you know, sometimes it worked, sometimes it didn't, and this was just like my life during this whole home reno, I feel like, but it ended up being a productive day. I got a lot of the flooring out, and I'm so excited because our new floors will get in soon, so make sure you subscribe so you can see more of our home renovation.